Hello, I'm at Hangar 8 at Goodwood Aerodrome today. My name's Dave and I'm an engineer at Spitfires.com. And today I have an original new old stock tacho generator, which is a part of the Spitfire, which we're going to unbox. So on this box here, we've got a few tags and labels which have different meanings. On the top here we have part number and the description of what the part is. This says it's an indicator's engine speed electronic. We know it as a tacho generator. So this label's cool because it says not to be opened until required for use. So this box hasn't been opened since the 40s, which makes it very special. This label on the bottom here has the manufacturer's name, which is Smith's Aircraft Instruments Limited. Smiths were like the Rolls-Royce of aircraft instruments in the 40s, and they still make instruments today. It's really amazing to see the box in really good condition. You can tell its age from the staples corroding a little bit, but there's no water damage. It's clearly been stored really well. So I'm going to try and see if we can slide her open. So it says on here, we've got the serial number again, and these serial numbers match, so the part in here was originally in this box, which is cool. And again, another one not to be opened until ready for use. So I've got the date wrong earlier. It actually says on the side here, the 23rd of July 1953. Packaging is amazing. It's in really good condition. And here it is, in some waxed paper. So this is another label that's got the serial number and the part number and description again. There she is. So it's got its tag on it, generator Mark IV, like mentioned on the box. Stamped here is the serial number. So original part in its original packaging, in the original box, and all the numbers align. So this is a tacho drive generator. It basically sends an electric pulse to the RPM gauge in the aircraft, which tells you your engine speed. So this is a tacho cable. It's basically a flexible square drive that runs from the camshaft, and in this case to the tacho generator. So this part enables both pilots and each cockpit to see the engine speed. It's really amazing to get parts like these because they're not fabricated anymore, they're not made today, and to get something that was originally built and purposed for that aircraft in such good condition is really amazing. Just a very small example of what goes on in the hangar here at Spitfires.com in order for us to keep these wonderful aeroplanes still flying.